So today we got a hat. A hat for what? Well, guys, you know, winter is coming. So will be snow, you want to, you know, we're going to have to shovel the snow maybe, or you'll be in the bus station and you want to be able to listen to music and cover your whole ears. I mean, this is pretty cool. Let me show you. This is a Bluetooth hat, what they call the music hat. Very simple. Comes with the Bluetooth cable. But I want to show you one thing that was pretty cool. The instructions, how that works. And this one has two speakers. It has one speaker here, right over here, so to see it. So we got plus, minus, and we can pause. And here it has a little light. And then we have another speaker here, right here, left. I will show. I will put it in. Now the most amazing thing is, you know, is that we run, and here you charge it right over there. You put your charger, and you charge it with your computer. That's it, right there. Now, how many hours we running this? 8 hours?
Oh my god.
Yeah, about 8 hours. About 8 hours. That's it. Yes. So what we did, I said, listen, let's run it for 8 hours. Let's see how this thing works. And let's see how many hours we push it. So to sync is pretty simple. You press over here, you hold it, and I don't know if you see the blue line now blinking. So now it's going to sync in my phone. And when you plug it in, it will say turn on, syncing, and that they sync already in the phone. But what I want to show you something is I wanted the battery. Let me see if I can get it there. Right there. 70%. I played this thing, what we did, we just played music, we leave the hat there in the side, and we played for like 8 hours, and I still have another 70%. You can pause, and you can answer the phone calls. We try, it works good. The other person, actually my wife tried, and and we hear that person. The only thing that maybe is a little hard is just try to figure out the buttons here. So I would say use your phone to controller. Maybe you get used to, but it's kind of hard to, you know, so it is not much. If you touch it here, I don't feel much different. So that's maybe the only hard part. And try to use this controller, but it's much easier just use the phone. Or if you get used to it, you just plug there. So let's put it in. Say all black. So we see right over here. It feels good, and we have another one over here. And if I play music, there's no way for me to show you that, or to hear it. But believe me, what's real good, what this thing is worth. So it feels pretty warm, so get ready for the winter, and you can be listening to the music. You can answer the phone. Now, if you can figure out the button and the middle button, if you press it, see, it's hard for me to figure out. Okay? You can get used to it. You answer the phone call, she will be able to hear me perfect. I will to hear her perfect, and you can play music, and it sounds real good, real good. And now the only thing you have to make sure, if you're gonna ever watch this thing, you need to check these boxes out. So there are a little hole right in the side, if I remember, somewhere here. So you take the two speakers out, and there is a wire, a tiny wire runs all around. So you're gonna pull the wires out. I mean, you take the whole thing. Let me see if I find it. Oh, see, in the side, not right there, you see. So right there. It sounds good, and I don't know how they do it, but I play for 8 hours, and my battery is still another 70%. So, I don't know. I would think that maybe last 20 hours one charge. I'm not sure. I can guarantee 8 hours because that's how much I pulled the test. It's still blinking here, and then to turn it off, and I don't know if volumes will come up, but if I press here, let me see if this is off. Yeah, powered off. That's it, guys. It's a simple, easy hat. So if you guys want to get ready for the winter time, the information will be below this video. Thank you.